Just a disclaimer though that all the items that if you're new here, hi and welcome. So in today's video, hey loves, it's Charlene here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi and welcome. So in today's video, I'll be showing you an easy everyday look that you can rock if you're going back to school or back to work. And all the products that I use are from the drugstore, so you can easily pick it up at any Shoppers or Walmart. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So I've already prepped my skin by toning and moisturizing. So my skin type, just to share, is an oily combination. It's towards the oily side. So most of the products that I'll be using is mattifying and pore minimizing. So let's begin with the primer, and I'll be using the E.L.F. Tone Adjusting Face Primer in the shade Bright Lavender. Doesn't smell anything. So the next step would be concealer. So I'll be using the Age Rewind. So this is also a cult favorite. I believe a lot of YouTubers use this specific concealer. And I'm just going to blend with my beauty blender, my Real Technique beauty blender. Okay. Also guys, don't be afraid to overdo your concealer, especially on your under eyes, especially if you have dark circles, because it will also this will also give you like a highlight effect or like a brightening effect. Anyway, you'll use your powder, so it will tone down later on. Also, I'll be bringing the product on my eyelids just to have like a little primer there, because I'm not gonna use a eye primer. So the next step would be a regular concealer. You can totally skip this part if you don't have anything to conceal, but since I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, I need to conceal it. Especially I'm not using a full or medium to full coverage foundation, and I'm using the Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline as well.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. We'll see you in my next one. Bye!